Hi, my name's Connor, Product Genius here at Lamborghini Leeds. Due to the current lockdown status, we thought we'd take the opportunity to take you on a walk round video of our Lamborghini Aventador S. This stunning example has been finished in the Pearlescent Balloon White. This particular model has the 20-inch and 21-inch high gloss black Dione forged rims, complete with high gloss black calipers. Moving around the vehicle, we have the Exterior Carbon Fibre Package. This complements the car, especially against the balloon white paint. This particular vehicle also has the transparent engine bonnet, complete with the carbon fibre X-frame. The car also has front and rear parking sensors, including reverse camera. Moving on into the interior, this car has the leather Elegante fully electrical and heated comfort seat in Terra Emilia. This particular vehicle does also come with many hidden features, including Bluetooth preparation, Lamborghini Telemetry and Premium Sound System Sensonum. This car is a 2017 model year and has covered 7,512 miles, whilst also sporting a full Lamborghini warranty until February 2022. Your car deserves to be maintained to original Lamborghini factory standards from day one, and for every mile that follows. So when it comes to replacing its precision engineered components, only Lamborghini genuine parts fit by academy trained technicians will do. It's how we guarantee performance.